How to use two Facebook apps on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your phone. In the search bar, search for Facebook and tap on the official link to go to the website. This will take you to the Facebook mobile login page. Once the page loads, tap on the share icon located at the bottom center of the screen. This will open up the share menu with various options. From the menu that appears, find the Add to Home screen option and tap on it. On this page, you can customize the name of the shortcut before adding it. Once you are satisfied, tap on the Add button at the top right corner. A new Facebook icon will now appear on your home screen. As you can see, you now have two Facebook icons on your home screen, the original app and the new web shortcut. Tapping the new icon will open the Facebook website directly. Following these steps, you can easily use two Facebook apps on an iPhone.